10 Days Glass Skin Challenge. Get glowing, glossy skin in just 10 days. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we have an exciting challenge for you all. The 10 Days Glass Skin Challenge. Introduction. The glass skin trend has been taking the beauty world by storm, and we wanted to put it to the test. We will be sharing our step-by-step routine and tips to achieve a glowing and glossy skin in just 10 days. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Day 1. Day 1 of the challenge starts with the basics, a thorough cleansing routine. We recommend using a gentle cleanser to remove any impurities and excess oil from your face. Make sure to massage it in circular motions and rinse with lukewarm water. Day 2. On Day 2, it's all about exfoliation. Removing dead skin cells is essential for achieving that glassy, smooth skin. Use a gentle exfoliator and massage it onto your face in upward motions. Rinse it off with water and pat dry. Day 3. Hydration is key. On Day 3, focus on keeping your skin hydrated. We suggest using a hydrating toner and following it up with a lightweight moisturizer. Don't forget to drink plenty of water throughout the day, too. Day 4. Let's talk about nutrition. On Day 4, incorporate skin-loving foods into your diet. Think berries, green leafy vegetables, and foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids. A healthy diet can do wonders for your skin. Day 5. Time for some pampering. Day 5 is dedicated to masks and serums. Apply a hydrating sheet mask or a brightening serum to give your skin an extra boost. Relax and enjoy the self-care session. Day 6. Protecting your skin from the sun is crucial for maintaining its health and radiance. On Day 6, make sure to apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 before stepping out. Day 7. We've reached the halfway point of our challenge. Take a moment to evaluate your progress and any changes you've noticed in your skin. We hope you're feeling more confident and glowing already. Day 8. A healthy lifestyle goes hand in hand with glowing skin. On Day 8, prioritize a good night's sleep, exercise regularly, and manage stress levels. Your skin will thank you for it. Day 9. Incorporating facial massages into your routine can improve blood circulation and give you a natural, radiant glow. On Day 9, spend a few minutes massaging your face using gentle upward strokes. Day 10. We've arrived at the final day of our 10 Days Glass Skin Challenge. Congratulations on completing this journey with us. Take one last look at your beautiful, glassy skin and revel in your achievement. Here are some tips for maintaining glass skin even after completing the 10 Days Glass Skin Challenge. 1. Stick to a skincare routine. Consistency is key when it comes to maintaining glass skin. Continue to follow a daily skincare routine that includes cleansing, exfoliating, moisturizing, and protecting your skin from the sun. 2. Hydration is essential. Keeping your skin hydrated is crucial for maintaining its glow. Drink plenty of water throughout the day and use hydrating products like toners and moisturizers that suit your skin type. 3. Eat a balanced diet. Your skin reflects what you eat, so focus on consuming a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Antioxidant-rich foods can help promote healthy skin. 4. Protect your skin from UV rays. Sun damage can undo all your hard work, so make sure to apply sunscreen with at least SPF 30 every day, even on cloudy days. Don't forget to reapply it every few hours if you're spending time outdoors. But be mindful of your lifestyle. Factors like stress, lack of sleep, smoking, and excessive alcohol consumption can take a toll on your skin. Try to manage stress levels, prioritize sleep, and make healthy choices to support your overall well-being. 6. Avoid harsh products and excessive makeup. Stick to gentle skincare products that suit your skin type and avoid using too many heavy makeup products that can clog your pores. Let your skin breathe and focus on enhancing your natural beauty. 7. Regularly clean your makeup tools. Dirty makeup brushes and sponges can harbor bacteria and cause breakouts. Clean them regularly to maintain the cleanliness and health of your skin. 8. Take care of your overall health. Your skin is a reflection of your overall health, so make sure to lead a healthy lifestyle. Exercise regularly, manage stress, and get enough sleep to promote a radiant complexion. Remember, glass skin is something you can maintain with consistent effort and a healthy lifestyle. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to long-term glass skin goals. Here are some natural foods that can contribute to achieving and maintaining glass skin. 1. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are packed with antioxidants and vitamins that promote healthy skin and fight free radicals. 2. Avocado, rich in healthy fats, vitamins, and antioxidants. Avocados help moisturize the skin, Improve elasticity and reduce inflammation. 3. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, and other leafy greens are excellent sources of vitamins and minerals that nourish the skin, promote a healthy complexion, and protect against oxidative stress. 4. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are loaded with antioxidants like lycopene, which can help protect the skin from sun damage and improve overall skin texture. 5. Citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, grapefruits, and other citrus fruits are high in vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production, brightening the skin and evening out the skin tone. 6. Walnuts. Walnuts are a great source of omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin E, which can help maintain healthy skin barrier function and keep the skin moisturized. 7. Green tea. Green tea contains antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation, fight signs of aging, and improve skin complexion. 8. Sweet potatoes packed with vitamins A and C. Sweet potatoes can help promote collagen production, improve skin texture, and give your skin a healthy glow. Incorporating these foods into your regular diet, along with a balanced and varied meal plan, can help nourish your skin from within and support your journey toward achieving and maintaining glass skin. That wraps up our 10 Days Glass Skin Challenge. We hope you found this video helpful and enjoy the incredible results. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more beauty tips and challenges. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.